Friends. Today we are going to discuss about procedural knowledge. In that procedural knowledge, we are have to deeply discuss about the lab experiment and flowcharts. First, procedural knowledge. Procedural knowledge is also known as practical knowledge. It is defined as the knowledge attained by practicing or exercising something, a task or skill. It is a practical knowledge. It may gain by an individual by practicing or exercising some tasks or skills. For example, if someone teaching you to riding a bicycle, no matter what they said, you probably struggled to grasp it and until you did not able to actually done it. Once you figure it out quickly, it became implicit knowledge. It means by riding a bicycle is a procedural knowledge, you're struggling to understand what the teacher or who teaches to ride a bicycle. You may find struggle to grasp it, but you're struggling and learn in your own way. It, After learning how to ride a bicycle, it turns into implicit knowledge. Before learning, it is exercised or practiced by you, it is called procedural knowledge or practical knowledge. The next one is process of procedural knowledge through lab experiment. Lab experiment, it is very important to improve the procedural knowledge of the students because practical classes gives more interesting to the learners. If the teacher is teaching about phonetics, symbols or sounds, it may difficult to understand by the students in the classroom by listening the sounds of the teacher. So they can't able to listen the sounds properly itself. So at the same time, if the teacher takes the students to the language lab, means they he will easily able to understand the sounds and symbols properly by having a individual headphones. So it is very useful to learn interestly towards the phonetics. So it helps to improve the procedural knowledge of the students. For example, in our college also, language lab helps the students to improve speaking and listening skills. Thus, the lab experiment helps to improve their language skills. The next one is it is the picture of lab experiment. One is flowchart. A flowchart is a diagram if the teacher teach through. Flowchart means students can able to understand easily. Slow learner itself they can able to remind the important points of the lesson. While lecture, the students can't able to understand the content properly. But if the teacher teach through flowchart means everybody or every individual can able to easily remember such important points of the lesson and it makes the understanding of the content easily to the students. It is a small example for flowchart for noun. It shows noun and its some of its types and what does it mean and what are its example and how to make sentence in this proper noun or common noun, collective noun or abstract noun. This makes them to know what is this and how to use this. Oh, these are these examples. They can able to easily understand the important points such as common noun means common noun are the names was given to things that we can't see and such. This is the easy way to teach students. And next, these are the some detailed explanation of procedural knowledge in lab experiment and flowchart. If the teacher shows that flowchart and teach the students means they can easily understand and they are not able to forget the concept. These are the two examples for process of procedural knowledge. Thank you.